Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you see in my computer screen, I created this amazing stunning website with just one prompt. So as you see, the website looks incredible. The website looks really amazing. Honestly, I'm also surprised. You see, so like the animation, how the website looks professional with just one prompt is really amazing. So this website is really full. This is called the personal website, or I just built this with just building the portfolio website. So as you see, the website looks also great. The website looks stunning. You can also toggle in light mode or dark mode. So now if you look where I'm here in just Netlify, after building this website, I also hosted it on Netlify. So guys, if you want to do this, let me know in the comment. You see that I built also this website in the Google AI Studio, and after building this website, I just deployed my code on my GitHub. After deploying or after hosting my code on GitHub, and also I just hosted this website on Netlify. So if you want to build like this, if you want this prompt, let me know in the comment, guys. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.